Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. This is my bathroom. I'm so tired of filming in this blank canvas, so it's really time to take this room from drab to fab. I'm currently renting at the moment, so this is going to be a small no demo reno. The building I'm renting in is pre-war. A lot of the buildings on my block are from the 1920s. While it has these horrendous components in the bathroom, it also has a lot of charming features. I'd like to marry this charm with modern elements, playing off of the black in the room, and also add color and life with some plants. So this is my mood board. As you can see, there's lots of greenery on top of a black and white background. I really like this fantasy paradise feeling you get when you see all of these different bathrooms. I like the neutral background with pops of color here and there. And here's how I plan to incorporate this mood board into my bathroom. So on the left wall, I have a lot of space, and I'm choosing to fill that space up with a painted arch and adding a large picture or painting on top of the arch. And for this back wall with this narrow window, it has a large windowsill, and I'm going to add a bunch of greenery right there. I'd also like to add one additional plant to the sink or maybe even shelving, which brings me to the next part of this bathroom makeover. I'd like to add, functional shelving over the toilet and shower caddy shelving. Another small change up that you could do is switching out the knobs, and so I'll be doing that as well on the sink cabinet. That's about it, other than a few finishing touches. So here we go. In the middle of winter, Craig decided to plan a fun date at the Brooklyn Botanical Gardens. I purchased a large puzzle filled with leaves of different houseplants. Since the puzzle is so gorgeous, I thought it could serve as a nice piece of artwork framed on my wall. I think this is such a great idea because not only is it beautiful to look at, but you can remember the chill times you had puzzling with friends, loved ones, and by yourself. After piecing together this advanced puzzle, I purchased a bottle of Mod Podge, and although the instructions on the Mod Podge bottle said to give the item 5 coats, I only gave it 2 and it held together perfectly fine. I found this 20 by 27 inch frame from Amazon, and it's super inexpensive. The glass on the frame is plastic, but you can't tell, and it gets the job done. Stay tuned for the end result. As you know, I'm always trying to be as thrifty as possible. I got these small paint cans when I helped move my friends into their new apartment. After brushing paint samples on the wall, I took a pic and added the pic to my sketch app. It's a Japanese app called Tayasui Sketches. It's like a very basic version of Procreate, and it's free. I didn't know if I should paint a semicircle on the wall or 1/4 of a circle. This app helped me decide which looked better and even which color looked better. I also brought a pic of the puzzle into the app to visualize the end result. I ended up going with the color Jetstream because I felt the other colors brought out the greenish yellow hue in the beige tiles, and we're really trying to hide that. I feel like the blue complements the tile and adds the pop that I'm looking for. And now it's time for a little how-to. Alright, so you've been following a lot of interior design pages, then I'm sure you've seen this painted arch, which is so easy to do, or at least it looks easy to do. I'm going to try to do a little tutorial, but I'm also learning with you at the moment. From what I know, all you need is measuring tape, scissors, a hammer, a nail, a pencil, and yarn. I don't have yarn today. I am actually using a ribbon that you wrap presents with, paint, a paintbrush. Today I have a small to medium paintbrush because I am just painting a small surface. You could also use a paint roller. You will definitely need a smaller paintbrush though to get those fine lines in your arch. And you're probably going to want to lay down a towel that you don't mind getting dirty or a cloth to put the paint on top of. What I would like to do is to create an arch this way. We're going to be finding the diameter, so I'm not going to do this whole wall. Just maybe from here to here, where that mishap is. That's how long I want my circle to be. I'm gonna cut this in half, which let's bring you back to math class, is the radius. So the radius of our circle is going to be 24 inches. Let me get my pencil. So now we know two things. We know where the nail is going to be placed and also the radius of our circle, and that needs to be as long as the string as well. So the ribbon is going to be cut at 24 inches, but you also need a little bit more room in order to tie the nail at the end of the ribbon. So I'm just going to put my thumb at 24, hold that, and tie the nail. Remember, you don't need to nail the whole nail into the wall. You could do half or 1/4 of the nail because you don't want a huge hole in your wall. You're going to be removing it. Remember when I said we were learning together? Well, I wasn't lying. Although the ribbon was around 24 inches, I didn't account for the pencil itself and the way you hold the pencil too. So in the beginning of my arch, it got really wacky and there's like all of these zigzags. Instead of tying the other end of the ribbon to the pencil, I'm just going to wrap it over and use my hand to add additional tension, and also it'll help when maneuvering the penciled compass on the wall. Let's see how this goes. I think it's going to be so much better, honestly. Okay, so here's the end result. I did 2 coats and it came out really nice. We're about to hang up the picture. Is it?
It's way off. Nope. Nope.
Yay! Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm definitely new to the plant game, but I want so badly to be a plant pro. I did a bit of research to see which houseplants were best for wet and high humid places. These are some plants I came across. These philodendrons are my favorite because they trail over surfaces, and who doesn't love an enchanted overgrown look? So the large nursery I planned on going to was closed on this day, but I did manage to come across this bodega flower shop that surprisingly had a variety of greenery in this small space, as you can see next to the pads and tampons. It was honestly hard to decide in there. They had such good stuff. I ended up going with this croton plant because it actually matched one of the leaves in my puzzle, and I loved the tropical feeling it brings with the deep green and bright yellow spots. Here's the babies. You guys aren't going to be like my other plants. You're going to live long, long lives. Especially you. Once these babies were introduced to their new home, I cleaned out some older potter plants thoroughly and started to repot. I repotted the plants using a Miracle-Gro potting mix. I know succulents work better with a twig and rock mix, so that one was potted differently, but let me know in the comments if any of the other plants here need a different type of treatment like the succulent did. I'm a new plant mama here, so I just want to do what's best for their growth. Does anyone else think about the screaming mandrakes from Harry Potter when they pull a plant out of its pot? I placed the larger philodendron in a hanging planter. I'm hoping it will drop down and trail off like the smaller one is, but we'll see. Because I'm new to this, the thrill of discovering different ways to tend to these plants is pretty fun for me, and truly not knowing how they'll look when they're full grown is exciting. They're like little science experiments. Gosh, I'm such a noob. But all in all, I think it came out pretty well. Alright, so I got all of these knobs from Amazon. They're so cute. Actually, not all of them come with pairs. I guess I was lucky to have pairs for this one right here, although it's not my favorite, and this one right here, which I actually really like. I'm thinking maybe I might mix and match. It's gonna be hard to pick just two. Which one am I gonna choose? This one's really pretty. This one actually oh no. This one actually has a pairing. Should I just go with this? I don't know. This one has hearts. It's so cute. Okay, so I feel like this is gonna irritate so many people, but I'm actually just going to do mixed matched. And I'm gonna do this one, which has a match. So if I hate it, I could always switch it out. So we'll switch this one out and then have these two matched. That's really cute. Oh, no, it's hard. I don't know if I should. Okay, I'm so indecisive. All right, so these were the old knobs. I didn't get a before shot, but as you can see, they're just plain, really dirty actually. And this is the new ones. Yeah, they look so good. Yay, and it looks nice with the black and white shower curtain. Oh, gorgeous. They're so pretty. All right, here is the last project of the night. I just hung up these little shelves that I got off Amazon. I have one more as well. I don't think I'm going to use it in the bathroom, although I could maybe use it over here. I don't know. I am going to have some shelves here. Ah, looks so good. I have to hang this up here. Up there.
We did it. Only been almost a year.
So here's the after. This room is now so relaxing. The plants brought a lot of life in here, and I feel like another big win is this modern blue painted arch. I'm happy I didn't ignore the black details in this room, but actually added to it with the shower curtain, geometric ironwork in the shelf, and black and white floral knobs. Although this was a lot of work decorating and filming this makeover, I think this is just the beginning of more interior design in this room. I feel like I could have gone a little bit further by adding more color, maybe to the window or mirror, and even changing the light fixture would be really nice in here. Got any more ideas I can do in this small bathroom? Leave me a comment down below, and I'll definitely shout you out in future videos if I do move forward with any of your ideas. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like this content and helps me make more videos like this for you. I have an even better kitchen makeover I've been wanting to start. Subscribe to follow me for more, and as always, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Fresh haul from the weekend, hot take on an old trend. From my head down to my toes, I'm feeling fine. And if you feel it too, then hit subscribe.